Daily Log number 3. Welcome to the third Daily Log. In today's session, we continue to dive deep into our strategic pillars and complete the exploration of the remaining 2 pillars we started in yesterday's episode. Let's finish up the full picture and continue moving forward.
Welcome to the Tony GV Daily Log, your front row seat to the new frontier of entrepreneurship. We are on a mission to empower solo entrepreneurs to create wealth like never before, forging a path where none existed. In this journey, every solo entrepreneur is a pioneer, shaping the future of education, business, and innovation. We are awakening millions of solo entrepreneurs, and you are one of them. Armed with advanced technology, we're unlocking the superhuman potential inside each one of us, and this is just the beginning. We are on a mission to create individual wealth that will fuel global wealth creation like never before. This is wealth terraforming. This is the future. Let's begin.
Welcome back to today's Daily Log. Yesterday, we introduced the first 3 pillars of our mission, but due to time constraints, we couldn't dive into all 5 pillars. Today, we'll be completing the discussion by exploring the final 2 pillars. To recap, the first 3 pillars focused on the foundation of our vision and the strategies driving our success. And today, we'll focus on the remaining 2 pillars, which complete our framework for transformative action. By the end of this series, you'll have a clear understanding of all 5 pillars, and we'll be ready to put them into action for meaningful progress. Let's jump right in and finish what we started, completing the picture and setting the stage for the next phase of our mission. Yes, we're moving on to point number 4, scaling the message. Point number 4, scaling the message. Scaling your message is essential for reaching a wider audience and making a lasting impact. Consistency is key, but so is expanding the reach of your content across multiple channels. For us, this means taking our message beyond just one platform. We don't rely on just one channel to spread our message. Instead, we are strategically scaling across multiple platforms, from social media to video content to blog posts. Each platform has its unique audience, and our goal is to ensure that we are everywhere, speaking the same consistent message, just in different formats. What we're doing right now is scaling in real time, ensuring that our language and messaging are aligned across all of our touchpoints. It's not about simply broadcasting the same content everywhere. It's about adapting our message to each platform while maintaining the same underlying theme, values, and call to action, CTA. For example, our daily log might be repurposed into bite-sized social media posts or full-form videos for YouTube, each designed to engage different segments of our audience. Repurposing allows us to reach more people without reinventing the wheel every time. As a solo entrepreneur, scaling your message should be part of your growth strategy. Start by identifying where your audience already hangs out. Is it on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube? Pick one platform to start with and build your presence. Focus on providing value. Stay consistent with your message and optimize your content for that platform. Once you feel comfortable on one platform, you can then start expanding to others. For example, if you're blogging, you can repurpose your posts into video content, or even break them down into quick, impactful social media posts. The goal is to ensure that your voice remains consistent, but you're meeting your audience where they are. Repurposing content also ensures that you can reach people who prefer different types of media. Scaling doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, but be intentional with your strategy. As you scale, remember that quality matters just as much as quantity. Don't dilute your message by trying to be everywhere at once. Focus on the platforms that make the most sense for your brand and where your audience is most engaged. In the end, scaling your message is about ensuring your impact grows. Your reach becomes global, and your voice becomes heard in more places than ever before. How does that sound? We are now moving on to point number 5, tracking and analytics. Tracking and analyzing your efforts is the secret to refining and optimizing your strategies. Data-driven decisions are what separate successful entrepreneurs from those who are simply guessing their way through. For us, we're not just publishing content and hoping it works. We measure everything, from engagement rates, shares, and views to conversion metrics. We are continuously analyzing the results of every action we take. We use tools to track the performance of our daily logs, ensuring that we understand what content resonates, which platforms are performing best, and how our audience is interacting with us. This is crucial because without the right insights, it's almost impossible to know whether your strategy is on the right track. Adjusting based on these insights allows us to optimize our efforts for better results. For solo entrepreneurs, tracking and analytics are non-negotiable. You should be using tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, or platform-specific dashboards to measure your efforts. Know where your traffic is coming from, which pieces of content are getting the most engagement, and where you're seeing conversions. This data will give you a clear understanding of what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make smarter decisions moving forward. Moreover, analytics aren't just about tracking past performance. It's about continuously adjusting your strategy. If something is working well, double down on it. If something isn't working, pivot or try something new. Analytics will help you stay agile and adaptable, ensuring that you're always moving in the right direction. For example, let's say you publish a blog post and it gets tons of views, but very few shares or comments. Through your analytics, you might notice that your audience is engaging better with videos rather than written content. This gives you the insight to experiment with video, knowing that it's likely to be more effective for your audience. In the same way, as you scale your content and message across platforms, tracking will ensure you're not only maximizing your reach, but also optimizing the impact you're having. Without this data, you're operating in the dark. By tracking and understanding the data, you can make informed decisions that continuously enhance your content strategy, community engagement, and scaling efforts.
The story of the grain of rice, a lesson in exponential growth. Once upon a time, in an ancient kingdom, a humble chess player approached the king with a bold request. He asked to be rewarded for his wisdom with a single grain of rice placed on the first square of a chessboard. The catch? For each subsequent square, the amount of rice would double. The king, intrigued by the simple yet peculiar request, agreed. But as the chessboard filled with grains of rice, something extraordinary happened. By the time they reached the last square, square 64, the amount of rice was unimaginable. It was enough to cover the entire kingdom, a massive wealth beyond comprehension. This story demonstrates the power of compounding, of how small, consistent efforts can grow exponentially over time, reaching incredible results. What might seem like an insignificant starting point, just one grain of rice, becomes a fortune when compounded. Introducing AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation. Just like the grain of rice that doubles with each step, your entrepreneurial journey can grow exponentially through consistent action and the right tools. That's where AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation comes in. This is not just a book. This is your blueprint for accelerated wealth creation, designed to help you compound your efforts, leveraging AI, Web3 technologies, and digital partners to scale your solo business faster than ever before. The AI Solo Rider Wealth Creation offers step-by-step strategies, tools, and real-time insights that will guide you through the 5 key pillars of building your entrepreneurial empire. Start. 1. Wealth terraformings. Building wealth isn't just about making money. It's about creating lasting impact, transforming not only your financial situation, but the environment and the world around you. By combining a growth-focused mindset, resource management, and strategic partnerships, solo entrepreneurs can terraform their wealth. The AI Solo Rider will help you understand the process of wealth creation, from foundation to expansion, ensuring your resources grow steadily over time. Step 2. Content strategy for consistency. Consistency is the backbone of any successful content strategy. It's not just about publishing content, but creating a regular, reliable rhythm that speaks to your audience and adds value. Whether through blogs, social media posts, videos, or podcasts, consistently showing up builds trust and engagement. AI Solo Rider. Wealth Creations provides actionable steps for building a content plan that resonates, ensuring your presence remains strong and your community engaged over time. 3. Community engagement. Building a thriving community around your entrepreneurial mission is crucial. It's about creating meaningful conversations, nurturing relationships, and encouraging feedback that helps you refine and expand your offerings. Whether it's on social media, in forums, or via direct interactions, the strength of your community can propel your business forward. AI Solo Writer Wealth Creation teaches you how to create these deep connections, build loyal followers, and generate engagement that turns into long-term success. Scaling the message. Once you've built a foundation and established a voice, the next step is scaling your message. Extending your reach across multiple platforms allows you to amplify your impact and attract new followers. By staying consistent and true to your brand, you can successfully replicate your efforts across digital channels. AI Solo Writer Wealth Creation shows you how to scale your message, ensuring that every action you take reaches a larger audience, creating even more opportunities for growth. 5. Tracking and analytics. Success in today's entrepreneurial landscape is data-driven. Tracking your performance, understanding engagement metrics, and adjusting your strategy accordingly is key to staying ahead. The more you understand your audience and how they interact with your content, the better you can optimize your efforts. AI Solo Writer Wealth Creation offers guidance on leveraging analytics tools, enabling you to refine your strategies and continually improve, just like how small decisions compound to create immense wealth. The exponential growth potential. The beauty of compounding in today's world isn't just about doubling small efforts over time. It's about leveraging the incredible tools we have at our disposal. With AI, Web3 technologies, and digital partners, your growth is no longer limited by the speed of human effort alone. You're amplifying your results 100x through the power of technology, scaling faster and smarter than ever before. Just like the chess player's grains of rice, your efforts in this entrepreneurial journey can accumulate, grow, and create wealth at an unprecedented scale. And the AI Solo Writer Wealth Creation will guide you through every step of that journey. Your wealth creation journey starts here. The AI Solo Writer Wealth Creation is more than just a resource. It's your companion for the wealth creation journey. Whether you're just starting out or already scaling your business, this book is designed to empower you to create wealth like never before. Start with the first grain of rice, take consistent steps, and watch as your business grows beyond your expectations. The blueprint for individual wealth creation has already been written, tested, and proven. What's different now? We're sharing it openly, at scale, like never before. No more excuses. This is the real deal. The best practices from the world's top solo entrepreneurs have been woven together, creating a path for you to follow and transform your wealth. The tools are in your hands. The knowledge is at your fingertips. This is your opportunity to break free from passive waiting into active, relentless pursuit of success. Take action now. That's a wrap for today's Daily Log. This is just the beginning, and we're building this in real time. Stay tuned, engaged, and let's create something that truly makes an impact. You are on this journey. Like, share, and subscribe. And remember, tomorrow we go again. See you in the next one. Now you're ready to go.